how to batch edit on Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Hello, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can batch edit on Adobe Lightroom Mobile. Now, what I will need you to do is to settle down and watch this video to the end so you wouldn't miss any important information. Okay? Now, first of all, you must note that batch edit on Adobe Mobile is very possible, but you have to be a premium user. What do I mean? First of all, launch the application. Once you've launched the application, edit one photo with your desired adjustment. You have to ensure that you have one photo edited with your desired adjustment. So once you've edited this photo and you're satisfied and you want other photos to look like this, move to the top right corner of the screen. Click the three dots icon, and then in the drop down menu displayed, you'll see options like save copy, organize, view options, create preset, copy settings. So select copy settings, move to the top right side, click the tick icon, and then the settings have been copied. Then once you've done that, go back to your gallery or your pictures or wherever. Just go to ahead, locate the pictures that you would like to apply this edit to. Then lock press, alright, on all of the pictures. Alright. Before then, ensure you've imported the pictures and they are on your Lightroom page. Very important. Ensure you import these pictures, like the pictures that you would like to apply or you want to do a batch edit for. Import them by clicking on the import icon at the bottom part of the screen. When you click on the import icon, they will be added automatically to, they will be sent automatically to the to your Lightroom page, and they will all be displayed there. So this is what just happened. All right. So once you've done that and you've imported the pictures here, go ahead to select the photos that you want to apply your edits and that you would like to batch edit. So after selecting the pictures at the bottom part of the screen, you see options like add to, paste edit, info, share. So select paste edit, and then once you've done that, all of your edits would be applied across all the selected images. All right, and you would also have the opportunity to choose which settings to copy. Is it the cropping, is it the marks or whatever? So it is that simple. All right, just ensure that you have the pictures imported into your Lightroom page, copy your settings, move to the bottom part, click on paste edit, and you're good to go. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.